Hello again. This will be my second short video. Um, I made today for lunch. I'm currently at home from work in quarantine for a few more days after exposure to COVID. Um, now, um, we'll talk about COVID in a different video briefly. But anyways, today I made a pasta dish called Cacio Pepe, or butter and pepper with what my mom used to call them was butter noodles, and we used Parmesan cheese, butter, and pepper. There are versions where people just make it with butter and pepper, but I prefer the butter, Parmesan, and pepper. It's a pretty easy recipe. If I can figure it out, I'll try and put a picture into the video. I took a quick one. If not, we'll do a more in-depth how-to recipe show later. But basically, if you take about a quart of water, heavily salt it, pick your pasta. I used penne, in this case Barilla brand penne, which cooks for 11 minutes to al dente. And then I put a significant amount of butter. Better to do it in the pan, which it'll warm and melt the butter. Put the pasta in after you drain it, and then sprinkle on your desired amount of Parmesan cheese. Mom used to make it with a little heavy on the butter side, and I think that significantly helps the flavor and texture. But you can do that, however you like. You like a little bit of butter, put a little bit. You like a lot of butter, put a lot of butter. A lot of the recipes I'm going to tell you are not necessarily healthy, but again, from a medical standpoint, you eat a well-balanced diet and exercise, you can eat these things once in a while. So basically, that's another nice, quick, easy meal, probably in under 15 minutes. However long, it takes you to boil a pot of water, 11 minutes to cook the pasta, and a couple minutes to mix it up. And it's done. That's a nice, simple, easy thing. Kids seem to love it. And I know I did growing up, and the whole family loved it. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you have a nice day.